Welcome to our achievements by Ice Lighting. In this video, I'm going to show you me getting gold at the Smoldering Sprint, part of the Emerald Dream Racing, and this is the challenge and the reverse challenge. So the start of this race is in the top of a tree up here. Now, the challenge one, I did have time to spare at the end, but it still could have been done so much better, and you'll see places where I expected to have charge figure and I didn't, and if you'd just been lower, I could have done it. So starting off with that, we're boosting and then we are boosting again. We're dropping down low so we can do an ascent to get our speed up and going. Ascending then at that point, dropping down low for another ascent here. Good speed going at this point, so I wanted an ascent there, didn't have it though. So I waited, I figured I'd use it over here instead, so ascended at that point. Boosting on this one, dropping down low, wanted an ascent, only just got it there at the end there. Dropping down low, again another ascent, I wanted theirs, but I had to take it at this point. Coming down here, I've got one vigor, so I've chosen to boost at this point, trying to get some more off the ground. Again, I could be much lower for this. Doing an ascent at this point to get me up, dipping down so I can do another ascent there, swinging around here, waiting here for the ascent, coming around here, doing another ascent at that point so that I could then swing on a relatively straight, slightly dipped line, doing more charging. Boosting at that point, coming down low, figuring I need the ascent here. So ascended, dropping down low for a boost at this point because I was high enough. Dropping down low again, wanting an ascent for this one, nabbing that and coming into the finish. So that was in 56 seconds out of the 79, but you can see that could have been better if I got some of those extra bits in. Moving on to the reverse then, it's obviously the same course, just backwards, and this one I was more reserved than I needed to be, so I do it in the time, but I could have actually used my vigor a bit better. So starting off, I am boosting and then I am boosting. I'm dropping down low so that I can get an ascent off this one. Doing another ascent possibly would have been better, but I did a boost instead. Dropping down low, choosing an ascent at this point, and then gliding into this one. I'm coming back down low, I'm saving my vigor, and I'm doing an ascent. Now, again, I could have been using this vigor. Obviously, if you do it the same way I've done it and do a boost there, you will still do it in time, but if it's tight for you, you might want to amend this slightly. So boosting again at that point, dropping down low, ready for an ascent at that point, and then I am swinging through here with another ascent. Coming through here, I'm then just going to drop down with a boost, and then on this part, I'm doing an ascent. So coming down low again, getting ready for another ascent at this point, dipping down low, getting ready for an ascent here. Coming down low again, don't have the vigor, so I'm just going to wait for this point for the ascent. Coming along here, I know this is the end bit and I know I need an ascent for getting back up. So I'm ascending at that point to get me the speed, and then at this point I'm then going to do the ascent. So you saw there that I got the ascent, I boosted, and then I came into the finish. So this gets it to you in 79 seconds, which is quite tight with the 80. So you might want to speed that up, or at least make that a little bit tighter, the line at least. So I hope you found this video useful. As always, thanks for watching, and subscribe to see what else I'm up to.